Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Have you ever heard the term langit points? Sabi ng contemporary language and understanding, people either get a plus langit point when you do something good, and a minus langit point when you do something wrong. For example, you used to help other people or give to charities or any kind of good deed. Plus langit points yan. But when you cheat other people, take advantage of them, or any kind of bad deed, minus langit point yan. But of course, going to heaven or entering God's kingdom is really not a matter of having points. There is no such thing as langit points. Wala naman pong pointing system sa langit. Walang addition or subtraction. Kasi, baka kung meron po at tutuusin ng Diyos yung mga plus and minus points natin, baka puro minus langit points tayo sa langit dahil sa ating mga kasalanan. Baka lahat po tayo negative pa at may utang pa. You know, dear brothers and sisters, our gospel today is the Sermon on the Plain or the Beatitudes. Since it is from the Gospel of Luke, it is the Sermon on the Plain. But in the Gospel of St. Matthew, it is the Sermon on the Mount. But notice that each of these Beatitudes has a heavenly reward attached to them. Parang may plus langit points. Sabi, the poor here on earth will inherit the kingdom. The hungry will be filled. Those in mourning will rejoice. Those who are persecuted will be great in heaven. Merong naghihintay na reward sa langit. And so whatever we do today will always be rewarded in heaven. But you know, this is not as easy as it seems. Mahirap po kayang maging mahirap, hindi ba? Mahirap kaya na walang makain at gutom. Mahirap kayang maging malungkot. At mahirap kayang lagi kang pine-persecute. But you see, Jesus is simply telling us that this physical world is not the end. That there is so much, much more to this. And that our life today is nothing compared to a life with God. And so that is our hope today. That is our beatitude today. And lest I forget, beatitude also means happiness. To be blessed means to be happy. And so our hope to be with God is our ultimate happiness, the greatest beatitude of all. Our happiness with Him is worth more than any langit points that we can get. Amen.